Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. In today's video I'm going to be showing new mom how to check if your baby has poo and how to breastfeed your baby, and then how to make your baby bump as well. So we're going to start by how you're going to know that your baby has poop. Sometimes you can smell your baby's bum to know if your baby have poo, or sometimes you can just open the onesie from the down. You don't need to pull the whole of the onesie and know if your baby has poo. Just take it up from the down like this and open it from the side and see if your baby has poo or not. Just open it like this from the corner of the thighs. Just check it if the baby has poo. Or sometimes if your baby pee, the line will show in the middle part. You will see it will turn blue. Then you know that this baby has poo. Let me quickly change the diaper. It's not difficult at all. You don't even need to remove the baby cloth, the whole of the cloth, to know if the baby have poo or not. You just need to check it like that from the thighs, or you check the line if the baby, if he or she have pee or poo. Just check it like that. It's very easy. It's not even hard at all. So that is number one. Number two, if you want to breastfeed your baby, it's not that difficult. You just hold your baby like this. You need to hold your breast with your two fingers like this. Just hold it with the two fingers and breastfeed your baby. When you're breastfeeding your baby, this is the connection between you and your baby. You guys have bond together. You and your baby have bond together. So right now you just need to be praying on your baby's head, all what you want your baby to become in life. Just keep prophesying it on your baby's head. You know that mom and the child, they have this connection, this strong connection together. Just keep praying on your baby's head. Prophesy on your baby's head. You get me? Just keep prophesying on your baby's head. So if you want to make your baby to bump, just use your hand like this to be hitting your baby gradually on the back, and the head will face that side. Make the head so that the baby will not press he or her nose on your shoulder. So keep hitting the back just gradually, or you rub it up, down. Keep rubbing it up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like this, just to make your baby bump. Just keep rubbing it like this, up, down. Or if you want to give your babies water to drink, this is how to give your baby water to. Just hold your baby like, you don't need to hold your baby to your front side. Just hold the baby the way I'm holding your baby now. Just hold the baby like this and give your baby water to drink. And if the baby drink water, you need to make your baby bump as well, not just food. Sometimes you just need to carry your baby and let the baby stand so that you make the baby born. So if you want to lie your baby down on the bed, if you don't want to lie your baby on he or a crib, but you want your baby to lie on your own bed, so you just need to put the baby in on the middle of the bed, just the way I'm doing now. You put one pillow side by side like this. So just in case maybe the baby, but we know that newborn, they don't normally roll, but just in case, to prevent, I wish I know. Just to prevent that, I wish I know. So you lie the baby down. You can lie the baby upward, or you lie the baby with the side. You get me? So you put pillows side by side and protect the baby from I wish I know. So you can as well peg the baby or anyhow you want it. So thanks for watching my video, and see you guys on my next one.